Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys the easiest way that you can change sky in your photos. And why it is the easiest? Because इसके लिए ना आपको कोई महंगा सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए जैसे कि Photoshop या Luminar, ना ही आपको अपना PC यूज करना है ना लैपटॉप, because we are going to do that just in our smartphones. So without wasting any time, let's go. So the app that we are going to use for this tutorial is called Enlight's QuickShot. Now it is available for both Play Store and Apple App Store. So आप कोई सा भी phone use कर रहे हो, you can easily download it. So let's jump into the app and see how it's done. Okay, so when you open the app and select the photo that you want to edit, you will be treated by this interface. नीचे आप देख सकते हो बहुत सारे options हैं जैसे कि looks, magic, sky, filters, overlay, elements, detail, adjust and crop. लेकिन हम सीधे चलते हैं sky की तरफ and देखते हैं sky कैसे replace करना है. So I'm going to tap on the sky option and straight away you can see you get so many options to choose from, and when you tap on any one of them you will see just like that the sky is replaced now, and you have literally so many options to choose from according to the mood of your image, and you have to keep this in mind. ज़रूरी नहीं है हर तरीके का स्काई हर फोटो पे अच्छा लगेगा, बिकॉज यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड जब आपने ओरिजिनल फोटोग्राफ लिया था तो उस टाइम पे सन की पोजीशन क्या थी, उस हिसाब से क्लाउड्स के ऊपर कैसी लाइट पड़ रही है, उससे काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है. सो टू मेक योर इमेज लुक मोर रियलिस्टिक यू हैव टू चूज द स्काई विच यू थिंक रिजेंबल्स टू द लाइटिंग कंडीशन ऑफ दैट डे. सो जब मैंने ये फ़ोटो ली थी तो स्काई जामा मस्जिद की बैक साइड पे था, सो आई कैन चूज स्काईज लाइक दिस और this and this. And one thing you have to keep in mind, जो ये आप स्टार वाले ऑप्शंस देख रहे हो, these are only for the premium members. So इसमें अगर आप इसे चूज करके एक्सपोर्ट करना चाहोगे then you will be treated with this screen which will tell you to buy the membership. So we are not going to do that, and I'm going to select an option from the free skies that we get. एंड फ्रैंकली यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं जो आपको फ्री में यूज़ करने को मिल जाएंगे. सो आई डोंट थिंक आपको ये ऐप खरीदने की ज़रूरत है, बट अगर लगे तो यू कैन बाय दिस ऐप फ्रॉम योर गूगल प्ले और ऐप स्टोर. सो लेट्स गो विद दिस फर्स्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस इमेज, एंड स्ट्रेट अवे बाय सिलेक्टिंग द स्काई इट डज नॉट फिनिश योर जॉब, बिकॉज अभी भी कहीं जगह से हो सकता है ये इतना रियलिस्टिक ना लगे हर फोटो पे. यहाँ पे it is working very fine because the sky conditions resembles a lot to the actual sky conditions that were there when I took this photograph. But still the things that you have to do is the feather. You have to increase it or decrease it according to your own needs. Here I'm going to increase it to refine the edges a bit more. उसके बाद यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है ये होराइजन का. इसको अगर आप मेरी एडवाइस मानो तो थोड़ा प्लस साइड पे हमेशा रखना, because in reality what happens whenever you take a photograph of the horizon तो हमेशा वहाँ पे स्काई थोड़ा फेडेड सा रहता है. So to give it a more real look just increase it to 20 or 30 or 50 depending on your own picture, and that will give it a bit more real look. उसके बाद you have the shift option जहाँ पे आप स्काई को थोड़ा इधर उधर करके देख सकते हो. I think this is looking fine. And then you have this ambient option which will fade in or fade out your real image. So यहाँ पे I think -100 will work fine for us. And then you have the details option for your sky. So if you increase it, the details of the sky will increase, and if you decrease it, it will decrease. So यहाँ पे I think 0 रहने देते हैं इसे. It was looking good. And then you have the opacity option in which you can just increase and decrease the opacity of the sky. After that you can see you have this eraser tool. अगर आपको लगे कि कहीं पे आपको खुद पेंट करना है या रिमूव करना है, you can do that as well. Like I will select this paint brush and I will just paint it in between this minar, and just like that you see now we have the sky and the minar as well. So very cool option and very easy to use for any user. I'm not just saying that this app is for photographers, but frankly कुछ photographers को ऐसी manipulation बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. Initially मुझे भी नहीं थी when I was starting my photography, but in landscape photography or travel photography you have to sometimes spice things up a bit. So this is the easiest way to do that. Now इस ऐप में आपको स्काई के अलावा काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस देखने को मिलेंगे, जैसे कि ये फर्स्ट वाला लुक्स ऑप्शन जो है, यहाँ पे you will get so many looks to choose from which are basically presets for your whole image. So you can just select on any one of them and you will see the real images getting affected by it. but I'm not interested in using any of that. So we will move on to the next feature, which is your magic. Now if you tap on it, it will automatically enhance your image a bit, and you can slide to increase or decrease the effect. इसको 100 पे कर देते हैं. You can see the people sitting in the front are getting edited automatically, so that's a good thing. After that you have the option of filters. Again, some presets that you can choose from. I think this will work fine on portraits or any of your personal photographs depending on your own style. After that you get the option of overlay. यहाँ पे you can choose from many overlays like sparkles, and there are a lot of sparkles. And then you have this mood option like party mood, celebration, disco and all. And then you have the option of lens flares, but again a lot of them are blocked by the star option because इनको भी पैसे कमाने होते हैं यार, सब कुछ फ्री में थोड़ी मिलता है. Still, from the free options you can choose a lot and reposition them and edit the effect according to your own needs. And after that you have the option of elements, in which you can add elements like fireworks and rain effects and lens flares and whatnot. So again, this app is not just for photographers but for personal users as well. If you like to edit your own images, I think you are going to enjoy this app a lot. So moving on, you have the option of details, in which you can increase or decrease the overall structure of the image. And then you have the option of depth, and then sharpen. This is looking a bit weird, so let's leave it at 0. And then you have the option of grains, if you want to add the grains in your photos. Some people like that look. And then you have the option of adjust, which offers you the basic adjustment features that you will find in almost any photo editing app. So it's nice that they included this inside this app only, so that you don't have to use multiple apps to edit your photo. So as you can see, you have your contrast, vibrance, shadows, vignetting, exposure, highlights, saturation, temperature, tint and hues, and this first one, the light, which I guess is just another name for exposure. After that, the last option that you get is the crop. You can crop your photos in any ratio that you want, or rotate it, or just go freestyle. And that's it. So this was the image before and this was after. Now let me show you some other pictures in which I have changed the sky, so just sit back and enjoy these. So all in all, it's a very nice app, not just for photographers but for anyone who loves to edit their photos. And I will recommend you guys to download it and try your hand out on this one. And if you do change skies in your photos after watching this video, don't forget to tag me in those photos by using #RaghavRayaRalan, and I would love to check them out. So if you guys like this video, I hope you will like my other video, 5 creative ways to edit your old travel photos, which you can view by just clicking here. And don't forget to leave your likes, comment on this video and share it with your friends as well. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you never miss another video from my side. This was it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.